The Singletrack Sampler came to Austin Easter weekend. I've been watching Alex's channel for years now, so I had to make the trip Saturday to see him at a brewery in Austin. I also knew I had to take my opportunity to ride Spider Mountain with him on Easter. Alright, it's Sunday, Easter morning. Kind of overcast, but it's supposed to be a really nice day. I am going out to Spider Mountain. We're going to ride with Singletrack Sampler, Cobra Kyle, no front brakes, hunt style, Scott Smith. I'm sure there's going to be more there. It's going to be a really fun day. There's a new trail out there since I've been out, so hopefully I can show you guys. I'll link to all the channels in this video down in the description. We needed a warm-up run while everyone got ready, so Eric, Matt, and Kyle joined me on a run down the easy trail. After that, it was time to chase Alex down the blue trail.
We made it.
What up? Y'all ready for a lap?
Yeah. What do y'all do?
What are we gonna do?
All right, well, we're going. All right. Oh. Oh. My feet bounced off the pedals. Whoa. That was a horrible line.
Last time I was here, I didn't hit the black trails. I chickened out, to be honest. Somehow they talked me into hitting the double black first. That didn't go very well. I walked a bunch of features, so I won't bore you with that one. I did make a pretty decent run down the Black Diamond Trail Sticky Icky. I probably would have walked some of this, but I pushed my comfort zone and went for it.
Now you tell me about the drop.
I should have just jumped off this rock, but I had no idea what it looked like on the other side.
I lost camber. Wow, that's steep. There's a catch berm there.
I might stop and film a section actually. Can you guys give me a minute and I'm gonna go ahead and find a spot to film? Sure.
Oh, Jesus. Oh no. This is off camera. Can't believe I got it. When Alex is watching, you gotta do it. Here we go. Oh, Kyle. You good?
Yeah. Come on, lost my footing there.
Well, at least you got by the camera. And here we go. Whoa. Okay.
Come on, man.
Yeah. Well, it was pretty scary, but
Well, you got it.
yeah, man. I mean, you were.
Oh, yeah.
If you're recording, I got to do it. I think.
Yeah, right? Good pressure.
I got to be in the sampler video at some point. You know.
Well, I think you're in it now.
That'll work.
Assuming I got that shot.
Hopefully, yeah. I almost bailed out at the beginning, and I was like, let's just do it.
This is the new jump line at Spider Mountain.
Oh, I did that horribly. That didn't sound good. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Jeez, that got crazy. Here we go. Oh.
After many laps down, we decided it was time to get some tacos.
All right, it was a good time in Spider Mountain. I'm exhausted. We're all heading to get some tacos in Austin. Should be a good time, and then I'm going home and going to bed. I'm tired.
This weekend was packed with highlights. Finally getting to meet and ride with Alex, getting to see some of my favorite riding buddies, and meeting some new friends. I also got to plant one of my stickers on Alex's van wall. I've now met the 3 YouTubers that really pushed me to explore new trails and take road trips to sample trails out of state. Which YouTuber would you like to meet and ride with? Is there one that inspired you to ride? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, click the thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.